Hello students, welcome to Java World. In today's class, I'm going to give introduction about Java. That is what is Java and where to use Java code. Come on, let me start. What is Java? Java is a high-level programming language which is used to develop real-world applications. Java it is a high-level programming language. Why it is called high-level programming language? Because Java it uses English like statements, the English words where we can easily read, where we can easily understand. That is what it is, a high level programming language. And it is used to develop real world applications such as mobile applications, desktop applications, web applications, scientific applications, financial applications, many more. If you know the coding in Java, you can write codes for developing such applications. In mobile applications, those applications which you find in your mobile, it may be gaming applications or other applications. Those applications you can develop if you know the coding in Java. Desktop applications which you find in your computer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Notepad, so many applications which you find in your computer. Such applications you can develop if you know the coding in Java. Web applications such as shopping, Flipkart, Amazon, Facebook, Gmail, such web applications you can develop. Scientific applications such as train simulation, flight simulations, and applications which are helpful in scientific research. Such applications you can develop using Java code. Financial applications which helps to track your money, to keep track of your financial details, which you can code with the help of Java. Now in today's class, I'll show a sample code to print message on the screen. For example, if you install an application in your mobile, you'll get a message on the screen, installation successful. Or if you log in to Facebook page, there you'll get a message, welcome to Facebook homepage. Come on, let me show the code. This is the Java code to print message on the screen. Here I'm going to print the message, welcome to Java World. Come on, let me see whether we get this message to the screen or not. I'll execute it. See guys, I got the message welcome to Java World on the screen. This is how we can use Java. And one more thing you can observe here, Java it is a high level programming language. It means there we will get the English like statements which we can easily read and understand. You can read here public class main, public static void main, okay, system.out.println. That is what Java it is, a high level programming language which we can read and understand. Here the complete meaning of each and every keyword I'll explain in the next classes. Till then, have a nice day.